So if you have a nice boat, you undoubtedly have fenders to protect it. But fenders by themselves don't always do all of the work. They can get old and they get a little faded from UV, they can start to crack. Most of them are warranted for a long period of time, but they can get dirty and kind of sketchy looking. And one of the easiest ways to freshen your fenders to match your shiny boat is to get a set of fender covers. And Dock Edge has a brand new series of fender covers out that are machine washable and even reversible. So two colors, black or blue. And you can see here how well they fit on a fender. So you can take an old dirty fender and make it basically brand new instantly. But unlike most fender covers, Dock Edge has gone through some extensive testing, not only for UV fade resistance, but for durability in general. They're a nice, soft finish, so they won't scratch your boat, especially painted boats, which are much more vulnerable to scratching than gel coat. They're UV resistant and will fit 6, 8-inch, 10-inch, and even 12-inch fenders. So there are 4 different sizes you can purchase. And one of the things that I really like, because we do spend a fair bit of time sleeping on the boat at the dock, is that typical normal fenders, especially when they're new, can develop some squeaking against the dock surface in your boat if the wind and the waves are rocking your boat back and forth. And fender covers are an easy way to eliminate those noisy squeaks. These 2 fender covers were purchased at the same time. One was used for the last 6 months in the sun, and this one has only been used for a week. And just look at the color difference on a normal felt fabric style fender. And so what Dock Edge has done is create a much more UV resistant cover that is designed not to fade like a traditional fender cover. If you're interested in fender covers, you might want to check out these ultimate fender covers from Dock Edge. They are fully reversible, highly UV resistant, very durable, color fast, water repellent, stretch and fit for a snug and secure fit, antibacterial, made from a dry wick fabric for quick drying, double layer for superior abrasion resistance and high tensile strength, and include a durable double cord lock with heavy gauge elastic cord. So, if you're in the market for fender covers, check out dockedge.com.